Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to buy YouTube Premium with gift card. So let's get into the video. So open up YouTube, and then once you're on your YouTube, so simply go to your tab here. So your current tab, hit on new tab, and then when you get to here, scroll down and you will see an option called Get YouTube Premium. So just get into YouTube Premium and then hit on Get YouTube Premium so that we can go for the purchase. So now here, just choose any plan, whatever that suits you. So whatever you feel like, just choose that. Once you have choose your plan, so for example this one here, just choose a month plan. So once you have chosen this, so now you get to the payment page here. So if you want to use your gift card, so simply what you have to do is you need to select the payment method. So here at the moment, this is my default payment method. So if I select on the arrow there, here I will get all the I will see all the available payment methods. So what I'm going to do, if I'm going to use a gift card, simply select redeem code, and then here once you get to this page, you can either hit on the scan gift card and then scan your gift card, or either enter the code manually and then redeem your gift card. So here to enter the code and then hit on redeem, and that's how you will be able to use your gift card for the purchase. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.